Okay, so now I'm gonna do a PA on Gbpusd USD yesterday. So yesterday night I trade is I choose a Gbpusd USD because everybody is choosing that trade. So overall the downtrend is down. The trend is down. First of all, I see that the price tries to take the high, like when it's deep. Here it tested this guy who started it, and is unable to perform well. Struggle back, unable to. So first of all, in this first time he unable to perform, I actually put a sold at this area. I think it's too early. First of all, is the reason because there's this guy who started it, then it pushes out. So until this guy is threatened, the trade is still towards the long. So it's an anticipation trade that we tried at here. So when it came down to this guy's area again and it failed, then we just scratched. So overall trend is down. There's a buyer slowing down. Entry wise, I'll say decent amount of entry. We just do some spreads and fees in we just do some spread and fees. Risk to reward wise, I don't think it's that good. What can I do better is entry wise I think the first one is too aggressive, like this one, cause it's like two-legged refresh, test this guy, then go on. But if like two-legged refresh, try, fail, then you buy here, you sell here. Here is perfect. Volume wise, okay, next time is like if there's a long bar, at least two-legged refresh, try. If you fail, then we enter. Don't enter so hastily. Yes, that's one thing I can improve on the read. Tick boom, fail, then try to sell. Okay. Yeah, in the end, it's a long. Timing wise, okay lah. So the first thing is trade after market open. Trade. So it's 9:30. Trade after market open. Next is same risk. These two habits. Let's focus these two habits first. And PA, these three habits. Okay.